Love, it's rape. When somebody invites you to love him back, you don't force him. Rape ang tawag doon. Kailangan may pagpipili, may panliligaw. So that's the heart of a loving God. It's a relational heart. Pangalawa, moral responsibilities have consequences. So when we end up blaming, God predestined me to do this crime and this rape and this genocide and this destruction, I'm acquitted by the court. Or the devil made me do it. So those are alibis in a court case. A plea for, I did not choose it, somebody made me do it. Ito yung mga cases ng mga nanay na nilunod yung kanilang anak. God told me to drown my children. Oh, case dismissed, acquitted ako. So that's the problem with deterministic non-free will teachings. It gets us off the hook. At the same time, it portrays God as unfair and unjust. How will God punish us for the things that we are scripted to do? And how will He condemn us for not believing when we were predestined not to believe? So the problem with a non-free will interpretation of scriptures is that we portray God as a puppeteer and a robot maker. So the famous quotations for this difficult question is the question for the quotation from C.S. Lewis. He could have made a world, yung sabi ni Pastor Eric, no? He could have made a world of robots and puppets and automatons. He could have do that. But that would be a world without love and without choice. While it is a world that is at risk of evil and pain and suffering, because humans can choose evil, pain, and suffering and sin, but it is a beautiful world still because it is a world where you choose to love, when we choose to trust, and when we choose God. So, that's the risk of free will. In other words, sinasabi ni C.S. Lewis, God took a risk of creating free creatures. Pwede silang magkasala at pwede nila akong saktan at pwede nilang saktan ang isa't isa. Ganun talaga. Pero pwede rin silang magmahal. Pwede rin silang sumunod sa akin. Pwede rin silang malayang mahalin ako. Love me back. And then, of course, A.W. Tozer famously said, God will take 9 steps to win us and to rescue us. But He will not take the 10th step. He will not do the repenting for us. He will not do the trusting for us. He leave the 10th step to us. Why? Because that's the beauty of a faith and a love given to God. Hindi pinilit. Forced love is not love. It's rape. Thank you.